Wiese's East Region Tire Department has been servicing the state of Indiana for over 20 years, offering comprehensive tire repair and install services for the material handling industry. Our expert and innovative staff of technicians bring over 50 years of combined experience and will work tirelessly to ensure customer satisfaction and long-term success. At Wiese, we respect the value of your time. That's why our fleet of mobile press trucks comes fully loaded with all the tools available at your location, including PTO, air, lift gates, and everything we need to get the job done right and done fast. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or an unplanned emergency, we pride ourselves on being responsive, prepared, and efficient. As an example, we can finish a set of 4 tires on a 5,000-pound truck in under 45 minutes, with even faster economies of time on every truck after that. Getting you the right tire at the right time and at the right price is Wiese's #1 priority. From Bobcats to Unicarts, from foam fills to standard blacks, our inventory selection is the largest in the area and covers everything that rolls, regardless of brand, make, or model. We believe in building long-lasting relationships with our customers. Get your material handling equipment back in action today. Call us at 317-241-8600 or visit wieseusa.com to learn more.